Let's start with a quick look at where world markets are trading. We've got Rish Salamat standing by in London. But first, let's check in with Susan Lee in Hong Kong. And Susan, long time no see.
That's right, Scarlett. Good Wednesday morning to you. Look, it was a mixed trading session here in the Asia Pac today, despite the gains that we saw on Wall Street overnight. Let's bring up the closing numbers for you. And Australia was really the only major market to post gains in the session. In fact, if you take a look at the Shanghai Composite, China stocks, they are at its lowest level in 3 weeks. So we're looking at a bear market there. Now, we get another Chinese company listing here in Hong Kong today, really making headlines. This is China's biggest pharmaceuticals distributor, Sinopharm, and a gain about 18% in day one of trade. And someone actually called that a disappointment by Chinese company standards. But of course, around the rest of the globe, pretty much the envy of the world right now. Another Chinese company making headlines is automaker Geely Auto, and its shares actually surged in the session to its highest in 9 years here in Hong Kong, rising as much as 26% during that period. And that's all thanks, of course, to Goldman Sachs, because Goldman Sachs bought over $330 million in Geely warrants and also convertible bonds. Now, if Goldman Sachs actually converted these bonds and these warrants, it would own over 15% in Geely Auto. And this is a company, Geely is a company that has gained over 230% on the year so far, along with the rest of its peers. We're seeing BYD, which is Warren Buffett invested, gaining over 400% during that period. And you see Denwei and Dongfeng also seeing some triple-digit gains, except for Dongfeng Motor, or pardon me, Denwei Motor, which has lagged the rest of the sector. And that's a look at the day in trade here in the Asia Pac.